Tinubu, our people are suffering. These are Hausa people. All these people, there is no single Fulani among these people. No single Fulani here. But they are telling you that all the people who are affected by these Fulani atrocities are all Fulani. They are saying that they are lying to you that Fulani are killing Fulani. It is lie. It is Hausa genotype that is going on in Nigeria. Hausa people have been taken away from their villages. All their villages. This is a small town, but there are over...
Late evening of Saturday, July 25 is today, 2026. Good evening, everyone. This video is a little bit sensitive, and I would like you to watch it with open mind. And in this video, you are going to understand the following things. Number one is, why is the terrorists who are trying to bring Islam in sub-Saharan Africa, including Mali, Nigeria, Niger, and so on and so forth? I'm talking about Boko Haram, ISWAP, Nakurawa, Mahmuda, and so on and so forth. Why are they also killing some Muslims? In this video, you are going to know the reason why they are doing that. Then, number two is that in Nigeria, why is it that the original owners of the northern region, they are not only Hausa, so there are so many ethnic groups like the Tiv and so on and so forth. But why is it that the most dominant people over there, they are not the most emirs, or they are not even the emirs ruling those places today? In this video, you are going to know about that. Why is it that no Fulani man is in the IDP camp in Nigeria? No Fulani man, I repeat, is in the IDP camp in Nigeria. You may say that my submission is wrong, but in this video, you are going to know and understand what I'm saying. So these are the things you will understand. And why is it that this is the last thing you are going to understand? Why is it that the brand of Islam that the Fulanis want to bring in Nigeria is a mono-Islam, mono-Islamic invasion? That is what is going on in Nigeria. Mono-Islamic invasion. This is not the kind of Islam that entertains different cultures, different value system, different kind of people. This is a kind of Islam that goes with, if it is in skin color now, we may refer to it as racism. But this is the kind of Islam, brand of Islam that goes with cultural identity. If you are not it, you are not it. If you don't belong there, you don't belong there. They are going to wipe you out. So in this video, this is one of the, among the top secrets that people should know. Because in the year 2023, while studying about insecurity in Nigeria, why Hausas majorly are being killed and so on and so forth, I discovered so many things that I will also want you to know in this video. So let's start from here. Check this video out.
Tinubu, our people are suffering. These are Hausa people. All these people, there is no single Fulani among these people. No single Fulani here. But they are telling you that all the people who are affected by these Fulani atrocities are all Fulani. They are saying that they are lying to you that Fulani are killing Fulani. It is lie. It is Hausa genotype that is going on in Nigeria. Hausa people have been taken away from their villages. All their villages. This is a small town, but there are over 60 villages that are camping here as internally displaced people. No government help that is coming out from anywhere. Government is not helping them. Government about that Konku. Then Allah chicken nang akwai populatani. Is there any Fulani man here? No. There is no Fulani man. So why are you telling us that it is Fulani that are killing Fulani? Yes, you see? They are lying. All the governors, any visitor come from president to go and visit any state, they will show Fulani cultural attires, which meaning that the place, the northern Nigeria is a Fulani country. Well, it is a lie. Yes. There is no single Fulani that is affected by this Fulani atrocity. All the unaliving of our people is done by Fulanis, and it is affecting only Hausa people. No single Fulani man that is here. Babu populatani ana. Fulani ne suke kashe Fulani. We are the ones who are voting you to all these positions that you are. Yes. A matsayin mu da katin zaɓe kuma amma mu ne nan kuke kashewa. wannan ba zai yi ba. Duk wanda yake so Hausawa su zaɓe shi to ya ba su tsaro. Idan ɗan majalisa ne mutum, in dai ka san ba za ka sai wa 'yan sa kai bindigogi irin na 'yan ta'adda ba, to kar ma ka soma ka ce za ka zo wai su baka kuri'a ka ƙarya ke wannan kawai a iya a mana su a Sokoto ne fa nan suna cewa akwai tsaro ƙarya suke Hausawa ina roƙonku ku zaɓi da haushe ɗan uwanku in dai mutumin da ba ɗan uwanku bane ba haushe kar ku zaɓe shi saboda su suna taimakawa ƴan uwansu da bindigogin da kuke gani suna kashe in an yi magana su ce wai mu musulmai ne ƴan uwan musulmai wani kan ba haka bane ba musulmi ɗan uwan musulmi ne da aka yanka shi yana la ilaha illallah kai ma kana la ilaha illallah kana kashe shi ba zai yiwu ba so da haka ni daga ƙungiyar Hausawan Najeriya nake ƙungiyar Hausawa ƙungiyar ku ce ba ma so a tashi hankali ba mu ce a tsani Fulani ba ba mu ce ka taba ba Fulatani ba ba ruwanka da shi amma lallai ba haushe dan uwanka ne ko ina yake kuma ka ji kishin dan uwanka and there is no help coming from government gwamnati ba ta taimako su ko guda daya so dan haka kullun sai sun kashe mu da sun dauka kullun sai an kashe mu kullun sai an kashe even yesterday after them talking to you sun hana mu noma ba mu noma there are over 200 people who are in Fulani bandit captivity now. Yes. They are the brothers to these people. Over 200 of them in the bushes. And nobody is talking about it. Yes. Nobody, because it is in the north. Because it is in the north that is happening. That is why nobody is going to talk about the Hausa people who have been abducted, who have been taken to bush and be unalived there. So please and please, government, we need your help. We need you to come to this place and help these people. This is Ungwalale in Sokoto State. Local government.
I hope you understand something from this video. I hope you understand something from this video. What do you understand? No Fulani man is in the IDP camp. When you go to Benue State, no Fulani man. You go to the Borno Northeast, no Fulani man. Why? The reason is because they are the majority of the people carrying out the attacks. Why? Because the kind of Islam, the kind of religion they want to put into Nigeria is something that people can't even behold. It's a kind of religion that if you are not it, you are not it. Now, let me give you a deeper example. I think you are going to catch this one up. Take a listen. Arabs came to Africa, including Nigeria. They took slaves in millions. I mean in millions. Guess what? They were all killed. I've been to Libya. They took me to the side where blacks, like in racism, black skin colors, where they were living in Libya. So I asked them, why is it that no blacks in Libya? Why? Why is it that no blacks in Libya? I was told that they were castrated. Castration means that you can't give birth to children any longer. Then the rest were killed. The people that were not killed, that were using for forced labor, they castrated them so that they can't give birth to people that will dominate their religion. Because they believe that if you are not us, you are not us. The same thing happened in so many Arabic words. Now, Arabs are not the only slave people that came to buy slaves in Africa. That you know, right? The Britain came, they bought slaves. The US, the Americans came, they bought slaves. But there is a difference between the American slaves and the UK slaves versus the Arab. Arab emasculated, killed people, and operated them to make sure that they will never give birth and kill all of them. That is called ethnic cleansing. That is what the Fulanis are doing. Ethnic cleansing. Ethnic cleansing. You are gone, you are gone. But when you go to America, you see black Americans. It's a product of slave trade. You go to London, you see blacks. I'm not talking about people who migrated into the country recently or some decades ago. I'm talking about slaves that they brought into the country. They didn't kill them, but they were using them. But look at Arabs. After the whole human treatment, they will still kill you or they will castrate you. I'm trying to make you to understand what is going on in Nigeria right now. trying to make you understand what is going on in Nigeria right now. Even though you are a Muslim, if you go to Libya, for example, you are still going to be a second-hand human being. You are still going to be a slave. Why? Because you are not like their skin color. I'm telling you reality. You understand? So this is what people in Nigeria should understand, that, listen, even though you are a Muslim, you see this Islamization these people are pushing in Nigeria, pray it will never happen. Pray it will never happen. See, when it happens, that is when you are going to understand everything we have been saying. It is not going to happen. We don't pray it should happen. If it happen, oh, just go and study what is going on in Afghanistan. You know what Taliban are doing? Nigeria, all these terrorist people, they are the same brand of Islam with Taliban. You see, Taliban, Afghanistan, they see Iran as evil. They see other Muslim countries as evil. They believe that they are the purifiers of Islam. So they can, every day they are firing missiles into Pakistan. They believe that, no, what you are doing is not right. They don't give women right to go to school. Your children's children may not even know what is called education. If these people succeed in what they are doing, that is why we do what we are doing. That is why we have been shouting. That is why we have been challenging the status quo. Because we know what these people are doing. Despite it seems it is going simultaneously, these people are not making it to be open. Why? Because they don't want everybody to come to the consciousness of what they are doing. You must be logical before you understand what is going on in Nigeria. They make it to look, there is no how you will understand. There is no how you will get it. They are pushing it, pushing it, pushing it. There is no how you will get exactly that is going on in Nigeria. You can't get it unless you use your logic and understand what is going on, or you ask questions. Look at the Hausas complaining. I told them, like the way I'm warning people in Kwara or Shun or all these people. I said, you see all these terrorists, if they come, they don't know whether you are a Muslim or not. You are not part of their brand. There is a brand of Islam that these people are pushing, and it's suicidal. They will kill you as a Muslim as well. And that is why when the issue of Christian genocide rose, especially from the time Donald J. Trump made his famous statement, a lot of people started defending that Muslims are dying, Christians are dying, there is nothing like Islamization. I was laughing. Because these are the people who are working with the terrorists. If you are not working with the terrorists, there is no how you will say that there is nothing like Christian genocide. Because at the beginning of onslaught by Boko Haram, they made their mission clear. We are going to overthrow Nigerian government. We are going to bring Nigeria to become an Islamic state, which will be governed by Sharia law as their only constitution. The second thing they made clear to everybody is that we are giving Christians ultimatum to leave northern Nigeria because we are about to start bombing churches. And after they started bombing churches then and so on and so forth. So that is one thing. So a terrorist cannot come out to say, this is what I want. Then you yourself, a bloody civilian, is saying, no, that is not what the terrorists want. Are you their spokesperson? Secondly is that ISWAP, Islamic State of West African Province, they said Christians in Nigeria must convert to Islam or they die. They must convert to Islam or they die. And what do you call that one? Just like if I'm a Christian, I come out to say every Muslim must convert or they die. Guess what? That day, war may just break out. Civil war may break out because of that statement. But guys, Christians are, and they know you are president. That is what we are doing. And why we are doing that, these people are advancing, killing people who are not their brand. This is something we must take serious. So I'm trying to explain to you the secret why you are seeing what you are seeing in Nigeria, why you are seeing Muslims still dying from an insurgency that is pointed at Islamizing Nigeria. So why are they killing Muslims still? And because the Fulani people possesses a deep-seated cultural belief that their identity is fundamentally and originally tied to Islam, why they are not original Muslims in the literal Arabic or geographical sense, as Islam originated in the 7th century Arabian Peninsula. The Fulani view themselves as the original premier practitioners and purifiers of Islam in sub-Saharan Africa. And that is why you see them as top imams, top emirs in so many emirates, and they control everything because they see themselves as the purifiers of Islam in sub-Saharan Africa. Every other persons are second hand. Get that into your sense.